Welcome to Motor Mania. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda CB400F, a motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic aesthetics with modern performance. The CB400F traces its lineage back to the 1970s, a time when Honda introduced the original CB400F, renowned for its sleek design and impressive performance. The 2025 model pays homage to this legacy, capturing the essence of its predecessor while integrating contemporary advancements. At the heart of the 2025 CB400F lies a 399cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine. This parallel twin configuration delivers 46 PS at 9,500 revolutions per minute and 37 Nm of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring a responsive and exhilarating ride. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission with an assist and slipper clutch, riders can expect smooth and precise gear shifts, enhancing both performance and control. Aesthetically, the CB400F exudes a timeless charm. Its minimalist design, characterized by clean lines and a sculpted fuel tank, reflects the classic naked bike ethos. The round LED headlamp and analog-digital instrument cluster blend retro styling with modern functionality, offering clear visibility and essential ride information at a glance. The chassis is engineered for agility and stability. A diamond-shaped frame provides a sturdy foundation, while the suspension setup, comprising telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock, ensures a balanced and comfortable ride across various terrains. This configuration caters to both urban commuting and spirited weekend rides, offering versatility for diverse riding scenarios. Safety and braking performance are paramount in the 2025 CB400F. Equipped with dual-channel ABS, the bike features disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, delivering reliable stopping power and enhanced rider confidence. The 17-inch alloy wheels, fitted with tubeless tires, contribute to improved handling and road grip, further augmenting safety. Ergonomically, the CB400F is designed to accommodate a wide range of riders. The seat height of 1060 m and a curb weight of 189 kg strike a balance between accessibility and road presence, making it suitable for both new and experienced motorcyclists. The upright seating position and well-positioned handlebars ensure comfort during extended rides, reducing fatigue and enhancing the overall riding experience. Fuel efficiency is a notable aspect of the CB400F. With a fuel tank capacity of 17.1 liters, riders can expect a commendable range, minimizing frequent refueling stops. This efficiency, coupled with the bike's performance capabilities, makes it an economical choice for daily commuting and longer journeys alike. In terms of technology, the 2025 CB400F incorporates modern features without compromising its classic appeal. The inclusion of a digital fuel gauge, trip meter, and pass switch adds convenience, while the maintenance-free battery ensures reliability. These features collectively enhance the bike's practicality for everyday use. The CB400F's appeal extends beyond its specifications. Riders have praised its reliability and build quality. One owner noted, "The fit and finish is excellent, and the noticeable lack of plastics gives the bike a luxury feel." Such testimonials underscore Honda's commitment to delivering motorcycles that stand the test of time. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda CB400F stands as a testament to Honda's ability to harmoniously blend tradition with innovation. Its classic design cues, combined with modern engineering and technology, offer a motorcycle that is both nostalgic and contemporary. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the motorcycling world, the CB400F promises a ride that is engaging, reliable, and undeniably stylish. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Honda CB400F. Stay tuned to Motor Mania for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest in the motorcycling world.